Hi there folks, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Third Dimension, where imagination meets reality. My name is Casper and today I have an exciting project to share with you. I'll be taking you through the entire process of designing and 3D printing a drain cover. So buckle up and let's dive into it. So there are total 5 steps which I will guide you through step by step, which I follow to design my own drain cover. So the first step is conceptualizing the design. Every project starts with a spark of imagination. In my case, I wanted to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing drain cover which not only fulfills the purpose of covering the drain but also looks aesthetically good. So the first step is to brainstorm the ideas and sketch out the initial design concepts. So I used Google to search various shapes and patterns which I can put into my drain cover, and once the pattern was finalized, then I went to the next stage, which was design. There are many CAD softwares in the market, but my favorite one is SolidWorks because I use it every day at my work. That's why I'm very fluent in SolidWorks and I can create designs very easily. So I did the same thing with the drain cover. I used SolidWorks to create my sketch and to give all the details considering both form and functions. As I said, SolidWorks is my go-to tool for turning ideas into the 3D model. In the design making process, I had to think outside of the box, and instead of making the design from outside to inside, I made it from inside to outside, meaning I made the pattern first and then crop it to the outside boundary of the drain cover. Please note, if you're making design and if you're making it at home, make sure you pay attention to the measurements and angles which could play an important role in your design. If any of those is not right, then it might not work in real life. It might work in the design, but it might not work in the real life. So that's why make sure to take all the measurements and angles correctly and check your measurements thoroughly with your design. Now, moving on to the third step, which was refining the design. Once the initial design was complete, it was time to refine and optimize the design. I took a critical look at my model, considering factors like material strength, weather withstand, and ease of making. And SolidWorks allows me to make these adjustments with ease, ensuring the drain cover is fulfilling both the purposes and is doing the both work, which is functional as well as durable. And the main benefit of the designing is that if you are not happy with your design, you can change it anytime with a click of the mouse, which is both economical and less hard work. So it is a great thing to start with if you want to go into the design field. Now, moving on to the fourth step, which is 3D printing process. Once the design was finalized, it was time to bring it to the real life using 3D printing. And since I have my own 3D printer, which is Ender 3S1 by Creality, I made the cover in less than 2 hours. I used Cura to import my model into it and then use it to make the fully functional 3D printing model, which I then used into my Creality printer to print it. I selected a suitable filament for my drain cover and prepared the print settings with the Cura. For the filament, I used PTA because it has both good strength and can withstand with high temperature. Moreover, it is easily available and very economical to buy. Watching the printer layer by layer building of a design is always a memorizing experience. And I bet once you see this happening in real life, you want to see it again and again. So that's why I love my 3D printing experiences. Now, moving on to the fifth and the final step, which is final product and conclusion. After hours of printing, my drain cover was ready for its real-life debut. The 3D printed version perfectly matches my SolidWorks designs and showcasing the power of turning imagination into reality. This project taught me valuable lessons in designing, problem solving, and capabilities of 3D printing technology. And there you have it, guys. My journey from imagination to reality, creating a custom 3D drain cover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Third Dimension, for more exciting projects, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload.